In this video, I'm going to show you how to set Raritan temperature sensor thresholds from the command line using the JSON-RPC API. Now, when you have a temperature sensor attached to a Raritan PDU, as we have here, you can change the thresholds through the web interface by selecting the sensor, going to Edit Thresholds, taking off the tick box for using the default values, and then you can go and change the values to whatever values that you want to insert to update, and then just simply click on Save. But I want to show you a better way to do this using the JSON-RPC API. I've got a program written in Python called Set Temp Thresholds, and if I call that program with no arguments, it gives me a usage message which tells me that I need to specify at least the host name and at least the temperatures to set on that host. So let me do that. So the host is px2 study, and the temps values, this expects a list of 4 values separated by commas, so I'm going to set them to a lower critical threshold of 15 degrees C, then lower warning of 18, upper warning of 22 degrees C, and upper critical of 25. And when I run that program, it tells me it's setting the temperature thresholds on temperature sensor in slot 1. It looks at all of the sensors in all the slots. So there are sensors in slot 2 and 3. They're the humidity and absolute humidity, but they're not temperature sensors. So it's just letting me know that. And all of the other slots it's reporting as empty. If I had more than one temperature sensor on this PDU, it would set those thresholds on the other temperature sensors. So this would be really handy if you've got a lot of sensors on one PDU. This will save you a lot of time. And what will also save you time is if you've got a lot of PDUs to do, there's absolutely nothing to stop me running it against another PDU as follows. So while it's working on that second PDU, let's go and have a look at the first PDU. Let's now look at the temperature sensor settings. Again, edit the thresholds, and now we can see that we're not using the default thresholds and we're using the values that I've defined of 15, 18, 22 and 25 respectively. So there we have it. A nice handy little script for setting temperature thresholds, and if you have a look in the comments section on this video, you will see a link to a GitHub page which will show you the code with some documentation which you're free to download and use and experiment with. And if you have any questions, my contact details are on the screen right now. Thank you for watching.